Hey man, it's the flow. What's good with y'all? Come with another trade recap. And yeah, I got a sim trade going on. This is way more A plus than the setup I took, which wasn't even really a setup, but we'll go over why that is. Let's see. Hold on, let me look at this. All right, so coming into the day, let's hop on the NQ chart. I was, I didn't know what I was honestly, bullish or bearish. I just wanted to see what the market was gonna do. I just wanted to see it whether we're gonna respect this imbalance prior to market open. That's what I was looking at, and even this one, which we inverse both. So when that happens, that does make me pretty bullish. But I want to see price rebalance because we just have this big fat wick up, and I want to see price rebalance at least into equilibrium. So that does happen, and not only that, we do have an SMT, I believe, between NQ and ES. When we rebalance, we go down. ES goes way lower. We go way lower. And not only that, ES rebalances into this 5 minute on the push down. So pretty much there, I'm looking for an entry, but I'm not really rushing things. I see like two 15-second entry that I let pass me because I'm not confident enough to take the 15 second to take entries on the 15 second yet. But I just see them and I acknowledge them, and I'm gonna put them in my notes and see the win rate on them and see if I should start taking 15-second entries. But as of now, it's not gonna happen. But I did heavily de-risk on this trade because when it's a Friday too, I wasn't extremely confident in the trade. I just wanted to test my eye basically. So this trade is very de-risked, and yeah, what happens there? We buy up, we come, and then we come down lower. I believe I take it the trade over here. Yes, that's where I take it because we have this resting liquidity right here, which still hasn't got tapped, which is the previous day high or the New York session high previous. So I'm expecting us to take it like soon. But obviously the banks had another idea. So we get this buy up. Look, we just edge it. Honestly, like in hindsight, it's not a really good trade because we're so close to the liquidity point. There's not really any point of even taking it. The risk to reward wasn't the greatest. But yeah, I believe we had somewhat of an SMT somewhere. Yeah, over here and over here. So we have a buy up. We create this imbalance. This was another 15-second entry that I was thinking of taking besides this one. This was a 15-second entry that I wanted to take, and this was also a 15-second entry that I thought I should take, but I was like, I'm not confident that yet. So that's two. So maybe I was chasing price a little bit because I wanted to get in on the trade, which is a bad habit of mine that it needs to be fixed. But I just take it because we get a retracement to this imbalance, we reject off of it, and then we inverse here, which I'm not sure if it was an inverse. Looking back at it, I think it was, but I take it on that. Will I say it's the greatest trade? Not really. It wasn't terrible either, and like I said, I de-risked, so it's not really hurting me. But yeah, got stopped down there, locked my account. So yeah, that's pretty much what I was thinking about today. But I already vowed this January it's gonna be a month of clean trading, following all the rules, and then we can, depending on how good I do this January, we'll move on from there. Meaning, if it's a really bad month, following all my rules, that means something probably needs to change. But if it's a really good month, that means, well, means I need to have confidence in my trading. And then if it's a really good month, I'll up my size. But for now, we're gonna be de-risked. But yeah.